Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I haven't talked about Strong in a while, and I wanted to get into it. I actually did create my fifth node. I think like a week ago. I actually created it. On the 22nd of February. So about I want to say, yeah, about a couple of a little bit more longer than a week or so. I actually just ended up paying my fees, which came out to like $94 for the maintainment of the notes for monthly. So as of right now, my next payment for the fees is going to be in 48 days, which is the one that's going to occur the fastest, right? So in 48 days, I will have to pay this all over again. I just paid $94, but as of right now, yeah, updated. Right, I have 3.6 strong rewards in my MetaMask. I think I have like 1 point something. So as soon as I hit 10 nodes, or as soon as I hit 10 strong, I'm gonna be creating my my six strong. They actually just came out. Let me see if I can. Let me get strong. I actually haven't seen strong in like a day or so. Sorry, I just made a video on Robinhood, so you guys will probably see that on YouTube on my most recent vid. So strong is at 250, which is unfortunate, and it did break under this trend a little bit. So it hasn't not recovered all that much, honestly, and it just kind of staying consistently at these 250 prices, which is fine because at 251, my monthly reward right now is about 15. So 15 strong times 250. My payout is $37.50 a month, which is not bad at all, to be honest. Um, it's essentially another salary, right? Which is great. But I do miss that. Strong was actually, what, almost exactly like a month ago, right? It was at peak highs of $740. So, I mean, if we were back at peak and I was still making what I'm making now, I'd be cashing $11,000 every single month, right? If we were at that 740 level. The good thing is though, the weekly is looking like it's starting to turn around a little bit, which is great. But on the daily, it does look like it wants to it does look like it wants to push down to $204. I'll be completely honest. Strong does look like it wants to go back down to $204. I think it can possibly go back to 216. I gotta say that I'm definitely more bearish than bullish on strong. It is creating higher highs here, which is fantastic. But again, I need to see strong at at least $300, 300, $400. I mean, this is the max trend right here, right? From peak low to peak low, peak low to peak low. If it breaks if it breaks this major trend and support, I think it's going back to $203. And I basically told you guys a while back, that I would not be surprised to see strong at $244. And I was definitely bearish. As of right now, I am, I'm bullish short term, maybe coming back to like 270-ish, right? We needed to break this trend. That's the most important thing. We needed to break this downtrend that it created back on, February 22nd. So it's been kind of in this little trading triangle, whatever, this pattern for a couple of days now, for about a week or so, week and a half, and it needs to break out so it can go out of 312. But if it breaks lower and it breaks under here, then unfortunately, I do think it's going back to 203. But as of right now, I'm not complaining. I still like the rewards coming out every single month. Right now, I'm making about $3,700 passively, which is fantastic. And I will be, and the only way that I will cash this out is if I actually, have 10 nodes, right? And that's only going to happen, I think, like around April-ish or something. So when April hits, and I have my 10 nodes, then it's going to be a continuous, it's going to be a continuous strategy of 1 month take profit, 1 month create 3 nodes, 1 month take profit, 1 month create 3 nodes, right? Or however many nodes that I can create with those monthly rewards. So this is going to be accumulating. I'm still going to keep compounding, and most of this money is going to either go to Ethereum and Crow. I'm thinking about possibly hosting a Bitcoin miner with the host company, which would be fantastic. I think it'd be like 20 grand. But again, I'm very focused right now on trying to do as much as I can to passively earn income with crypto, right? And I think the next step would be to hosting a couple of Bitcoin miners, maybe somewhere. So I'm definitely looking into that. But yeah, Strong is doing really well. Apart from the price, apart from the price being at like 250, which I'm not very happy about. But I think that's all going to change. They actually just released their light paper, which I will probably go over later today. But just wanted to give a quick update of where Strong is going, where I think it can head to. Again, my price target for Strong is definitely over $1,000, and I'll get into that in a different video. But as of right now, just wanted a quick update. I am on my 5th node. I hopefully can create another node in like the next week or two. And then we'll kind of go from there. But, I'll see you guys later. Strong is still probably the only big project that I support that is anything related to, passive income apart from miners. And, we'll just keep looking at it because it's at 250. Strong chance that it can probably go lower to $200, but we'll see where the TA stands maybe in a couple of days. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.